Hello, let's look at how to add a user or member to your Hemlane account. To start out with, click on Your Team. You will see all of your active users and service pros. A user is someone who has access and can make changes to any of the sections on the left. You can control which sections they have access to. For example, a marketing person might only have access to marketing. To add the user, click on Add Service Pro or User. Then click Plus User, put in their name, their email, click Next. You will now be able to choose their privileges. Note there's an article up here which tells you more about this. To start out with, for admin, it means that they have access and can make changes to everything in Hemlane for the properties they're attached to, just like you can. You can change these privileges with the different options that are set up here. For example, leasing, which is commonly used for a leasing agent, where they have access to marketing and prospective tenants and can receive payments from members. A member is another user on Hemlane, like yourself, so they could receive payments from you or request payments from you. For example, they might want to request a leasing fee from you. Maintenance means they only have access to service professionals and maintenance and repair. And again, they can request payments from you or other members, or receive payments from other members. This is commonly used for someone who's helping you manage all the maintenance on any of your properties. Then there's management. This person would have access to all financial information. They would be able to send and receive money from any tenants or other members. They would be able to view all tenant and lease information, as well as view all property information. This could be used for an administrative person on your team who helps with all accounting and financials. Lastly, there is custom. This is a custom option where you can control exactly what they can see and do in Hemlane. Now that you've chosen your options, click Next. Now choose which properties they're associated to. Note that they will only be able to make changes and see information for the properties they're assigned to. For example, if they're only assigned to 3 properties, they'll only be able to see and make changes to these 3, and they won't even know the other 4 exist on Hemlane. Let's select Check All. Then click Add User. After you add a user, you'll be able to select them and see if they've accepted the property invite. Note that after you add a user, they must log into their Hemlane and accept the invitation for each property in order to be able to see and do tasks with your account. If this is the first time you're inviting them to Hemlane, they will get an invitation in their email to set up an account so they can go in and accept the invites. It will say pending until they've accepted. Once they have accepted, the pending will go away and they will have full access to Hemlane as per the privileges you gave them access to. Thank you.